Hi, welcome to Pullback Indicators. I welcome you to our Bank Nifty intraday strategy video. The word strategy is everyone's favorite, and today's topic will be on Bank Nifty and Nifty. I have created an excellent strategy which beginners can also use. I have used pullback indicators with support resistance. This indicator is the best indicator for intraday trading. So I want all of you to see this Bank Nifty intraday strategy. In this video, I have given entire information of how many targets and stop loss were hit. I have backtested this strategy for last 1 month and found it to be very profitable strategy for intraday. That is the reason I am sharing it with you. Why use pullback indicator in trading? Number one reason, to avoid fake breakouts. Number two, to reduce losing trades. Number three, double confirmation before trade. Number four, small stop loss and big win. Number five, to follow strategic discipline. When you use pullback indicators, you will get less amount of fake signals. When you get less amount of fake signals, you will definitely reduce on your losing trades. You will always get double confirmation before entering into any trade. The stop losses are always small and the targets are always big. To follow strategic discipline. Here, discipline is the foundation of all functional trading strategies. Remaining disciplined all the times, you will be able to achieve your trading goals. Let's see the strategy first. As you can see in this chart, we have got a buy signal and we have also got a sell signal. The red lines which you see are the resistance lines. The green line which you see is the support line, and the middle line is called the pivot. The strategy is very simple. We will only take trades on buy signal when we get buy signals on support levels, and we will only short on sell signals if we get the signal on the resistance level. If we get sell signal on support, then we will not trade. If we get buy signals on resistance, again we will not trade. And if the signal comes out of the zones, out of the resistance and support zones, then we will not take any trade. Our buy trades, when we get buy signals, our buy trades will happen normally here, just little bit above the support line, or if we get a buy signal here and the candle closes, cuts the pivot line and the candle closes here, the closing price will be our buying. And same for selling. We will not sell in the middle, or we will not take any buy trades in the middle. We will sell either if we get a sell signal right below the resistance level, or if any candle is breaching the resistance or support level and the candle gives a close just below the resistance level, we will sell here. So let's watch the video. Welcome to this wonderful video where you will learn an unique strategy on Bank Nifty and Nifty. First, go to tradingview.com, open Bank Nifty chart and keep 5 minutes time frame. For candlesticks, we will use regular candlesticks. You can see in this chart, as I told you, these are the resistance levels, these are our support lines, and this is the pivot zone. We got a sell signal on the support zone, so there will be no trade. Then we got a buy signal here on the support level, but where will we buy? We will buy here, because this either we will buy just above the support zone, or we will buy on the next level if a candle cuts this line and gives a closing upwards. So this will be our buying level. What will be the stop loss? The previous candle low will be the stop loss when we buy here. This will be the stop loss. This is our first target. This will be the second target. This will be our third target, and we'll move on. And as one by one the targets get achieved, you need to trail your stop loss in order to capture the entire trend. So what happened here? Sometimes what you can also do, just below the pivot lines, you can place your targets, because many times what happens, just little below the pivot line or the resistance line, the markets take a U-turn. So this happened here. And once your first target gets achieved, today you can see the first target got achieved, and once your first target gets achieved, then immediately you need to put your stop loss to your buying price, because your profitable trade should not convert into a losing trade. So then it came back, you can book 50% of your profit in first target, it came back, and in your buying price your remaining quantities got sold. After that you can see we got a sell signal, again we got a buy signal. Once we have made a successful trade, you need to ignore all other signals. This is the case of a sell signal, it's in a support zone, you will not trade, but some of the people, they will again to enter into the market. Once we have entered into the trade and our targets or stop loss has been triggered, we will not consider any other signals for trade. It has been exhausted for the day. So don't try to again retrade. This is the first rule. Let's see some more charts. This is 6th May. We got a buy signal here. Look carefully. The signal and the candle was both outside our support level. So any signal which comes outside the support and resistance level, we will not trade. And the entire day all these three signals were outside the range, so we will not consider these signals as trade. Let's see some more trade here. 5th May, buy signal in support zone, so this will not be our trade. This is our sell signal in the resistance level. Perfect. But as I told you, we will not sell in the middle. We will either sell on these levels, or when a candle breaches the resistance or pivot line and gives a closing downwards, this line, this will be our entry level. Targets, the first line is our first target, second target, third target, and as slowly the targets gets triggered, your stop loss has to come down gradually. You will trail your stop loss, right? So what happened? Your first target got triggered and then it closed somewhere between here, and we made almost 300 points on this day. Excellent. Let's see some more charts. This is 4th May. We got a sell signal here. As you know, this is the candle where we'll trade, right? Here. So first target, second target, third target. What happened? Again it went a little bit up. Many of you might see that you got a buy signal here and get confused. Once we are in a trade, once we are on a trade, on an open trade, we will not consider these signals, right? Sometimes when you get a buy signal at the bottom, some people get feared that whether the market can reverse. In those cases you can simply book 30% of your profit in case you feel like. And then see, again there's a sell signal. What happened? It went right till here, and the entire third targets, all three targets were achieved. How many points we made on 4th May? Almost 600 points. If you trade with patience and follow the strategy properly, you can recover the indicator cost in just one trade or in just one day. Let's see another day. This is 2nd May. You can see we got a buy signal here, and the closing price of the candle is just above the support zone, which is our entry. And what will be the stop loss? The stop loss will be the previous candle low. Then what happened? In just a matter of few minutes, a sell signal came and your stop loss got executed. How many points did we lose? Approximately 100 points. If we are gaining 400 points, 300 points, 600 points a day, we don't mind, to give 100 points or 50 points stop loss. This is a part of the game. When we trade, the use of stop loss is a must. What is the importance of stop loss? Because every trade has 5 outcomes. First one, break even. second small profit, third small loss, fourth big win, fifth big loss. And it is your stop losses which will eventually make your trades or convert your trades into big wins because of your stop loss. And stop loss should not be in your mind. When you take a trade, it should go along with the trade. And the beauty of pullback indicator is your losses will be very small. So even if 2 to 3 stop losses gets triggered, don't worry, just focus on the big reward. So let us see some more charts. This is 29th April. We got a sell signal here, but where we'll sell? Either we'll sell on this level or here. So this did not go down, it went up, and then again we got a buy signal on support level, so no trade here. And see the third signal here on this candle. This candle we got the sell signal, and this is the candle which got breached, and the closing price of this candle will be our selling zone. And what will be the stop loss? The previous candle high. The high of this candle will be the stop loss. People who want to trade in options, what they can do, this is the candle, 2:05 p.m. candle. What is the closing price of this candle? 36,455. Select the nearest strike price of 36,455. Either it can be 36,400 or it can be 36,500. Always buy at the money call or puts. Since you got a sell signal, you will buy puts at the money put at either 36,400 level or 36,500 level. And if you are short selling on futures, then you can short sell on the closing price of this 2:05 p.m. candle. And the stop loss will be the previous candle high. And for options, when the stop loss reaches in the spot, you can square up your position. And targets, you can set your targets as per the market. For options, it can be 50%, it goes up to 100% also. So what happened this day? First target achieved, second target achieved, almost third target. We made a profit of 400 points. Not bad. This is the chart of 28th, and there is no signal. 27th, another signal, but outside the support level zones. So in almost, if you can see, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in almost 5 trades, we made almost 1500 points. 1500 points in one trade. So if you are trading with just 2 lots of Bank Nifty futures, you have made almost 75,000. 75,000 rupees in just a matter of 4 to 5 trades in just less than 1 week. This is the beauty of pullback indicators. This is the beauty of strategy. This is the beauty of setting proper stop loss and targets with proper entry and exit also. Now let's look at the Nifty chart. We will use 5-minute time frame. Whenever we trade on index, the time frame is 5 minutes and the candlestick pattern will be regular candlesticks. So the strategy will remain the same. Today morning, 9th, got a buy signal here in this candle. But as you know, by now you have understood that where our entry should take place, either here or here. This is the candle where we'll enter, because this candle has breached the support line. So the closing price of 12:20 p.m. candle will be our entry price. Stop loss, previous candle low. This is the stop loss. Targets, first targets, second targets. So as you can see, the first target got achieved, and as I said many times, it takes a U-turn just below or above the support resistant pivot line. So you can book your 50% profits here, and remaining, since you don't know the market is coming down, so once your first target is achieved, always shift your SL to your buying price, and the remaining quantities you have exited. And as I told you, After that, don't follow any buy signals. Once we have traded, even if you have not traded, consider the remaining signals as an exhausted trade. Sometimes it happens the market tries to tempt you, but you should not fall in this trap. Let's see some more chart. This is of 6th May. The signal is outside the support zone. So any signal which is outside the support and resistance zone, you have to ignore. This is 5th of May. 5th of May, we got a buy signal here in resistance. We will not trade. We got a sell signal, and this is the candle where we'll enter on the closing price of the 1:35 p.m. candle. Stop loss, previous candle high. And if you are trading in options, what is the closing price of 1:35 p.m. candle? 16,800. That means you have to buy at the money put of 16,800 levels. And the markets closed on this level here, giving you of almost 129 points of profit on 5th May. This is a chart of 4th May. Same sell signal on resistance level, where we'll sell in here, because the very same candle breached the pivot line and gave a closing. So we'll sell here. Targets, first target, second target, third targets. All targets got achieved on the very same day, and almost Nifty gave us a profit of 172 points for 4th of May. Very good, excellent. 2nd May, got a buy signal, but no trade happened. Sell signal, invalid. Again, we got a buy signal, though it was after almost 2:45, but still if you have traded on here, then it was almost a cost to cost, because market went sideways after that. 29th April, a sell signal here, first a buy signal on resistance level, will not take any trade. Then a sell signal, and this candle breached. Closing price of this candle, will take entry. Previous candle high will be a stop loss. First target, second target, third target. And as your first targets gets achieved, trail your stop loss to your buying price. Then as your second target achieved, trail your stop loss to your first target. This way we'll use stop loss trailing to capture the entire trend, because you don't know where the markets are headed. So on this day, almost Nifty gave us near about 200 points. Not bad. Let's see one more day. 28th April, no signal here, and the first signal which we got is almost at 3 p.m. that also outside the resistance level. So no trade. So in the matter of 5 trades, Nifty gave us almost 500 points. 500 points. One lot Nifty, 50 quantity. So if someone who has traded with this indicator following this strategy made 25,000 rupees profit in just 5 trades of Nifty. Sometimes you should spend on learning also. It will give you good returns on the long run. Stock market is not dangerous. Lack of knowledge is dangerous. Understand the behavior of the markets properly. Have patience. Treat the markets as a business. Spend time on quality learning. Most important, do fail, but don't fail to try. Learn from your past mistakes and trade with discipline. This was all about Bank Nifty intraday strategy. And before you start your trading, always backtest this strategy yourself. Do paper trading for few days, then start your trading journey. This indicator works across all market segments in Bank Nifty, Nifty, equity, commodity, forex and crypto. Along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit and put stop loss. This indicator works on TradingView chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. If you have any queries, you can email or WhatsApp. My team will coordinate with you. I am giving flat 50% discount for a limited time period. I have kept the indicator price very reasonable so that most of the traders who are willing to learn can come forward, use it and benefit from this indicator. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe, and don't forget to take care of yourself and your parents. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.